Hi everyone, and welcome to our final official tutorial in our series on building a website with our Blogdown. Tahila and I have had a great time creating these videos, and we've learned a lot in the process, and we hope you have too. In our series, we've covered many topics, including explaining the different platforms involved with Blogdown, building our actual website, setting up some basic configurations, and modifying several different sections or widgets of our website. Although we didn't cover every possible section, we believe you now have the tools to make any additional changes you desire. With that being said, we do have some ideas for a few specific topics that we plan to cover in a mini-series. For example, how to set up Google Analytics, how to create your own custom color themes, and how to embed sign-up forms within your website. So stay tuned for these. We plan to continue working on this project for the next few months, so if you have any suggestions for future tutorials, please let us know by commenting below. We hope you've enjoyed our tutorials, and once again, as always, thank you so much for watching.